everything felt low. Sound is moving soft and round. No sharp edges, no disguise. Just the truth between the lines. Every pulse is in my chest. Nothing more, nothing less. Let it breathe, let it flow. This is all I need to know. No pressure in this sound. Every tone is settling down. Self-control. Let the low and hold me close. Slow and hold. Every feeling overdose. Self-control. Nothing rushing, nothing loud in this space. I'm completely fine. Extremes, just balance. Everything is right in time. Death control. In the deep we stay intact. Every tone gives the warmth right back. Death control. Till the silence gently falls. I don't need more. This is all. silence that keeps asking how you vanished from my life. I don't miss the way you loved me. I miss the way you stayed. There's nothing left where you were. And I don't know how to face beside my skin still feels like you're in it. Every sound reminds me how quiet love can break me down. I don't cry, I don't scream. Pain moves low inside of me. Every step I take alone feels like walking through a ghost. I don't chase what's already gone. I just sit with what went wrong. Still here without you, in the deep where I fall apart. No words left to say now, just a heavy open heart. Still here without you, learning how to breathe again. Love don't always stay, but the echo never ends. Your name floats in every sound, like it's buried in the ground. I don't fight it, I don't run. Let it hurt till it's done. Time will slow inside this space. Every memory has weight. I don't need to understand why forever didn't last. Some goodbyes don't make a sound, they just slowly pull you down. Still here without you, in the deep where I fall apart. No words left to say now, just a heavy open heart. Still here without you, learning how to breathe reflections everywhere. I don't rush, I don't fight. Let the rhythm feel just right. Every step feels slow and true. All the noises fading blue. In the space I finally see what this moment gives to me. Hold the light, don't let it fade. Feel the promise that we made. Warm it goes, moving through my mind, so tempo. Everything aligned, warm it goes, calling me inside. I surrender to the gentle tide. Warm it goes, moving through my mind, so tempo. Everything aligned, warm it goes, calling me inside. I surrender to the gentle tide. Sun is rising, not too fast. Golden hours softly past. Every note is full of air. Nothing heavy, nothing bare. I don't need to chase the sound. Let it move me gently now. In this loop I'm feeling free. Just a beat and melody. Every breath feels open wide. Let the rhythm be my guide. Warm it goes, moving through my mind, slow tempo. Everything aligned, warm it goes, calling me inside. I surrender to the gentle tide. Oh, feeling the motion. Oh, heal it in the slow devotion. Every sound is carrying something calm and comforting. Warm it goes, fading with the sun, soft shadows, till the day's done. Warm it goes, when the night returns, I remember how this moment burns. That sound you left is still hanging in the corner of this room, like a note that never ended, like a goodbye cut too soon. I don't touch the things you touch, I don't change the light, everything stays where it was, so I don't lose you twice. I felt the ending before it came, before you said a word. Some silences arrive early and stay longer than they should. I hear you in the high notes that never resolve, like a question with no answer, like a fall that never falls. I don't miss your voice in midnight, I miss the space you fill. You left me with an empty room and a sound that won't sit still. It won't sit still. I stopped asking what went wrong, I stopped asking why. Lost doesn't need a reason, it just slowly rewrites. Every chord feels unfinished, every night feels white. I don't cry the way I used to, I just let it stay inside. You didn't leave in anger, you didn't slam the door, you faded out like feedback till I couldn't hear you I hear you in the high notes that refuse to disappear, like the shape of something missing that's somehow still right here. I don't miss the way you love me, I miss the way you stayed. You left me with an empty room and the echo chose to stay. They say time smooths the edges, but it sharpens what is true. I don't ache for who you were, I ache for what we didn't do. You didn't take the air with you, you left it cold and thin. I learned how loud absence is when silence settles in. jacket still hanging by the door, like you might come back for it. I said I'd move it weeks ago, but I never did. The clock keeps lying on the wall, says time is on my side, but every night I hear your voice in the quiet I can't fight. I gave you every softer part, I didn't know to say it. I kept mistaking staying quiet for being brave. I stayed too long in the shadow, calling it love, calling it hope. You held my hand but never held me when I needed you the most. I broke myself just trying to keep us breathing, keep us warm. You left without a warning, I stayed too long. I stayed too long. Your name still sleeps inside my phone, like a scar I can't erase. I told myself I was fine alone, but your silence says my name. I learned how to read your moods, like weather I couldn't change. I bent till I almost broke, still you walked away. You said I asked for too much truth, but all I wanted was a sign, something real to hold on to, something that was mine. I stayed too long in your shadow, calling it love, calling it hope. You held my hand but never hurt me when I needed you the most. I broke myself just trying to keep us breathing, keep us warm. You left without a warning, I stayed too long. I don't hate you, I just changed. I see clearer in the dark. I stopped begging for your weight to keep me falling apart. If loving you meant losing me, then that was never fair. I won't carry all your silence just to prove I care. Every I'm still warm from where we were, but you don't live here anymore. I tall low just to survive, so my heart won't hear my mind. Every touch that I forget leaves a shadow on my chest. I don't ask for reasons now. Some love fades without a sound. Still here without you. In the deep I let it burn. No fight in the silence. I just let the feeling turn. Still here without you. Every low note tells the truth. Love didn't leave clean. It just slowly slipped through. Time don't heal it, just move slow. Teach us things I didn't know, like how empty can feel full when your heart just learns to pull. I don't hate you, I don't beg, I just sit with what's left. Every night feels the same, soft regret, quiet pain. Still here without you. In the space you used to stay. I don't chase the memory, I just let it fade away. Still here without you. Breathing in the afterglow. I'm not over the love, I'm just moving real slow. I don't need closure now, just some peace in how it sounds. Still here without you. No more fight in the dark. I let silence talk when I fall apart. so real back then. I'm standing in the space between the now and what we were.
You're gone but I'm still here, breathing in what's left of us. Every night you feel so near, like a ghost I still can trust.
I reach for you in empty air, knowing you won't be there.
You're gone but I'm still here, when the night ends.
Still here. But memories don't lose their way. They pull me back into the dark, right when I think I'm okay.
You're gone but I'm still here, holding on to broken trust. Every dream just disappears when I wake up without us.
Passing through my life too fast, but it taught me how to feel, even when it couldn't last.
I won't beg the dark to keep you, I won't drown inside regret. I'll let the night move through my veins till I don't hurt like this again.
Till
what I outgrew. I reach for
heavy heart feels tight, but there's a spark I won't let go. Screens and silence keep me awake, miles away from yesterday. I'm breathing deep, I'm standing still, learning how this moment feels. You when the road feels long, I hear quiet in the sun. Step, I'm learning how to trust the light I feel right now. Quiet moment feels like mine. In the midnight slowly, we finally letting go. All the weight I carry falls like sailing snow.